Hello everyone. Today we will be covering how to use the advanced modeling tool Cover in FormIt. We will begin with geometry to help demonstrate the variety of situations the Cover tool can assist. In the advanced geometry tools, select the Cover tool or type the keyboard shortcut CV. A guide in the upper left-hand corner of the canvas appears with step-by-step instructions beginning with selecting an edge to be enclosed. In the first example, we want to enclose the ends of this sweep. Select an edge, then press the Finish checkmark to complete, and the Cover tool will provide a face joining them all together. You may also find that you deleted a face and need to retrieve it. You can follow these same steps. Hover your cursor over a line and press Tab to select all contiguous lines needed for the shape, and now use the Cover tool to create the face that you can now drag to make a solid. Cover also works with a single edge, like an oval, or a more complex geometry resulting in a faceted face, or a curved face. And that's it for FormIt Advanced Modeling Tools Cover. Be sure to check out more videos on the FormIt YouTube channel.